Hello ladies and gentlemen. I'm making this video to um maybe see if somebody can help me out here. Yesterday I opened the PS4 because the phone was kinda with too much dust on it, so I opened it, the whole PS4, to clean it. And when I put everything back, the this the power button and the CD button doesn't work. The way I'm able to turn on the PS4 is by the controller. That's the only way. I check it out again, but I see nothing loose. It doesn't work. See, yeah, pressing don't work. But really, I don't actually need the button because I can turn it on with the PS, turn on and off with the controller. But this part, the CD button, I actually kind of need it. But if you guys know anything to help me out, please let me know, because I need it. I want to take it to the shop when probably they're gonna charge me a fucking, sorry for the word, probably a lot of money for just a little thing. Probably, I don't know. You know anything about it, you please let me know. It will be really nice. Thanks. Peace.